What's going on YouTube? Day 72 here. You know, when I looked at the weather last night and when I got up this morning, it was snowy and cloudy and, you know, what it was supposed to be like all day. So I was thinking, oh, I'll just make a compilation video of all the fails from the season. It'll be funny. You know, people enjoy that stuff. But now it's looking sunny out and I kind of want to get out for a ride. So I'm not really sure what to do. Well, for some reason I'm not doing any of the things I plan to do here. Oh God. Shit. Man, I suck today. Wow. He was coming around like this. Oh. Uh-oh. We're good to go. Oh, I just laughed at Devin. No, I did it. Oh, I smell some burning. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, yummy. It's not good. Oh, nice. Lots of sucks today.
Here we're tracking the elusive turbo skidoo. It leaves these little wood chips everywhere it goes. See here? Yeah, wood chips. Yeah. Oh, there he is! I spotted him.
These guys are a mess. Oh God. Stock number 77 of the day. What are you doing there? Stuck. Stuck. We're on flat ground. So, do you want me to give you some tips? Nice work, Jerry's. It hurts. Help! Again! Dave! 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 Toss it away. Ouch. You alright?
Hey Taylor, the seniors are up here now.
Oh my God. Steve! Hope! Dave, what are you doing there?
I don't know.
He's pulling a Taylor.
I kind of hesitated halfway through.
Should have held her back. We gotta lift.
His leg is right out underneath there. What?
Yeah, we gotta.
Other side.
Nothing hurts though?
No, I'm good.
What are you doing there, Homer? Hey Dad, what are you doing on the 165 down there? Oh! Uh-oh. Oh. You okay?
Oh, nice.
He can't side hill on his right side, but he can do that. Repeat that?
My motor is seized.
Pump parts, like a brake fuzzy. A little bark. Couple twigs, some pride. Sent it a little too hard, destroyer.
What the frick? Oh, I can't cover the view.
If you were in my head, you would hear me whine. I'm walking on a thread.
Broccoli, brah. Brah, brah.
Broke a bunch of shit. My bars are bent right down.
So keep going! Oh, keep going! There's Kenny in the tree.
That wasn't very good.
Uh-oh, wet feet. He's in the creek.
She's handlebar deep, kids. Just roll them upside down. She'll be handlebar deep. I'm gonna have to get a turbo. I can't punch through these pillows.
Did you pull another couple crisp rants there and you couldn't quite hold on to her?
No, this one was a Caleb Kersturkey, but we don't got Montana snow.
Are you building a fort here or what? Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, a little more of a brown on this one.
No good, boys.
Not gonna make it. He's all right. look of the day. I don't even have my beacon on yet.
Oh God. Oh. Whoa.
That was ridiculous!
I don't even know what just happened. Oh.